This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update Kia Optima navigation system, full guide. Start by gathering a USB drive, a computer, and your vehicle VIN or map version from settings. Visit Kia's official update portal, select your model, and download the correct map package. Verify the file checksum, then extract the update onto the USB root folder. Safely eject the drive and bring it to the vehicle to proceed with installation. Before installing, ensure the vehicle battery is stable and the engine remains running to avoid failures. Insert the USB drive and follow each prompt on the infotainment screen, confirming you want to update maps and system files. The process can take from 20 minutes to over an hour depending on file size and system speed. After completion, the system will prompt you to restart the unit and confirm the new map version in settings. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support more clear car tutorials. Quick recommendation: on another note, go darn tough for socks you can trust with a lifetime warranty. They pair nicely with long drives and garage work. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If you encounter errors, stay calm and try simple fixes first, like reformatting the USB drive to FAT32 or XFAT and redownloading the package. Confirm the files are on the drive's root and that the file names match the expected structure. If the system still rejects the update, try a different USB port or drive and document error codes on screen. When all else fails, reach out to Kia support or a dealer for guided assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.